This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Buzzer Beater Basketball, one box eBay break. July 10th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Matt1009 with the Raptors, Jazz, Spurs, and Wizards. NATHAFLANNE0 with the Hawks. Isaiah1103 with the Magic and 76ers. Pitt P. Red with the Celtics, Pistons, Lakers, Bucks, Pelicans, Nets, Cavaliers, Warriors, Clippers, and Suns. TAGIANFR0 with the Trailblazers and the Kings. Mike247M140 with the Knicks and Timberwolves. Packy 328 with the Thunder. KAMMAX-9 with the Heat. North by NW_1 with the Grizzlies. HED208 with the Bulls and Hornets. Panthers 482005 with the Rockets. K Long 2112 with the Nuggets and the Mavericks. And that is your full lineup. Okay. We've got your box here, 2021 Gold Rush Buzzer Beater Basketball. We got one high-end hit per box here. It's going to be a fun one. Hit the plastic off first. And let's crack the seal. Alright. There is our hit. Empty box. Alright, we got one high-end hit here, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We've got a 2012 Panini Past and Present Anthony Davis Gem Mint 10. He is in his Hornets uniform, so that's going to be going to the Pelicans. So very nice Anthony Davis. 2012 Panini Past and Present PSA Gem Mint 10. Rookie. That's a sharp card there. They will be going to the Pelicans. He is in his Hornets jersey in that one. So we'll be going to the Pelicans. Pelicans owned by Pitt P. Red. Congrats. Very nice. Anthony Davis. Very nice hit there. PSA Gem Mint 10. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we are back at it again tomorrow night. Really nice lineup scheduled all week long as well. I want to thank you so much for your support, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Please, be smart, be safe out there.